In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize charts in MetaTrader 5, Colors Grid Background. We'll walk through the quickest ways to change colors, grid visibility, and other visual settings so your charts feel clean, readable, and tailored to your trading style. First, make sure the chart you want to customize is open on your screen. If it isn't, open the symbol from MarketWatch by right-clicking it and selecting Chart Window. That brings the price chart to the foreground so you can make changes. Next, open the Properties window, which is where all the visual settings live. You can do this by right-clicking anywhere on the chart and choosing Properties. If you prefer the menu, select Charts at the top and then Properties. There's also a quick shortcut. Press F8 to jump straight in. In the Properties window, go to the Colors tab. Here you can set the background, grid, and foreground, which covers axes, scale, and text. You can also define colors for up and down bars or candles to make bullish and bearish movement pop. Choose a line color if you use line view and adjust volume colors. To change anything, click the color box, pick a shade from the palette, and click OK to apply. If you want a fast starting point, try one of the built-in schemes like yellow on black, green on black, black on white, or color on white, then fine-tune from there. If grid lines are distracting or too faint, you can control them right in that Colors tab. Choose a contrasting color to make the grid stand out, or pick something almost identical to the background to effectively hide it. This gives you either a structured layout or a clean, minimal canvas. While you're in Properties, take a moment to review other visual options. Toggling the chart in foreground places, drawing objects on top for clearer annotations. Auto Scroll keeps the latest price in view as new bars print, while Chart Shift creates breathing room on the right side so price doesn't sit flush against the edge. You can also tweak scale settings to control how tightly prices are drawn. When you like what you see, save your setup as a template. Right-click the chart, choose Template, then Save Template, give it a memorable name, and click Save. Later, load the same look on any chart via Template and load Template. If you name it Default.tpl, MT5 will apply it automatically to all new charts. That's it. Customize, save, and trade with clarity.